What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire. I'm using tarnish resistant brass from Artistic Wire. You're going to need your tools, and I have a ring mandrel. If you don't have a ring mandrel, you can always use a marker or any round form. For the treble clef, I'm going to take about an 8 to 10 inch piece of wire, and I'm going to do a little loop in the end. So we're just going to do a tiny little loop, as small as you can, and we're going to start to form the treble clef. So just take this and bring it around, curve it around. So that's the first part. Just depends on how big you want your ring. I'm going to bring this one down, and then I'll get the larger round pliers and make a little loop here to form the rest of the treble clef. So this is the first part of the treble clef. Hold this, bring this in so it's a little bit more to the inside, push that up, and then we want to take this and overlap it. So now we're going to bring this one down and bring that one up. We'll take the larger round pliers and bring this one around. You can also use the end of a pen. Take this, bring it up, and bring it around. So once you have it positioned how you like, just at this point here, we're going to bend it out to the side so it goes straight out, and then we'll get our ring cone. Depending on the size you want, it bounces back a bit, so I'm going to do it at the 6 and bring this one around, all the way around. You can always check the size. Now here you have a couple of choices. You can leave it open so it's somewhat adjustable, or you can attach it on the side there if your wire is a little more fragile. If you want to leave it open, just give it a little clip. You can always file the end too if you want, and then bring that one back there, and there you have your super cool heart ring with the treble clef. For the music note, I have about 6 inches, and we're just going to cut this flush. Then we're going to form the note with our round pliers. So we're just going to take the end, bring it around, and then take our tweezer nose pliers. Make this as small as you like. So bend it, give it a good push so it's a sharp bend. Same here, push it so it's a sharp bend. And then we're going to take our round pliers again and bring it around. So there's our note. So for the heart, we'll just bring this one down. At the center point between those two notes, we're just going to take our flat pliers and push it up. This you can adjust as you need. And then we're going to form the top of the heart. So use your large round pliers or the end of a pen. Then this one up and then down again. Try to get them about the same size. If you have to adjust them a bit to get it more symmetrical. And then from here, we're just going to bend that out at an angle. Try to get this the same length as that. And then get your ring mandrel, hold it on here, and bring it around. We'll just clip it there, file the end if you need, push it in, and there you have your super cute and simple note ring.